Do you think you have what it takes to make money on YouTube like these popular YouTubers such as Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, and many more? Then look no further. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing method that will allow you to easily generate YouTube Shorts with just a click of a button. Not only that, but I will also show you a new app that can help you make epic videos and potentially earn as much as $1,500 plus every day. If you're looking to step into the world of YouTubers and start making money fast, then this tutorial is a must-watch. Get ready to take your content creation to the next level and start raking in the cash. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. The YouTube platform has made it easier for you to monetize your content. Starting February 1st, 2023, you will now be able to monetize your YouTube Shorts with ad revenue. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you will need to have either 4,000 hours of watch time or 1,000 subscribers or 10 million public YouTube Shorts views. In my opinion, it's much easier to get 10 million YouTube Shorts views than it is to get 4,000 hours of watch time with long-form content on a brand new YouTube channel. You could create a lot of YouTube Shorts even in your free time, and if you keep it up, you could make as much as $1,500 plus per day. If you do the math, that would be a whopping $40,000 in a month. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity, so tune in for the step-by-step tutorial. To start getting paid through YouTube Shorts, you could explore a ton of niches, any of which might interest you. But if you want to take a faster route, a shortcut if you will, I want you to try this method, which is to repurpose existing content, such as podcasts and interviews with famous people, for instance. There are thousands of channels popping up on YouTube that are using this method. One perfect example of this is a channel called Peaky, which is getting tens of millions of views from its YouTube Shorts based on existing content, like podcasts from Joe Rogan and Logan Paul, interviews from magazines such as Wired and GQ, and very recently, viral videos from random people across the world. As you can see from this channel, it's possible to take existing content like these and clip out 30 to 60 seconds of them. As a result, you can potentially get millions of views and monetize them in different ways. So the first step of this method is to subscribe to as many different channels as you can. You can even subscribe to established popular channels if you fancy them. There is a lot to pick from, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's narrow our search down to the podcast clips niche. Podcasts are all the rage these days. And with thousands of podcasts available, you will have no shortage of options to choose from. I will be using the Impulsive podcast channel hosted by Logan Paul as an example. On his channel, Impulsive Clips, he already posts shorter clips from his podcast. But the thing is, they are not YouTube Shorts. If you check out the channel for yourself, you'll find that you'll mostly see horizontal videos that last from 2 minutes all the way to 8 minutes. With that being said, I want you to take those long-form videos and then convert them into YouTube Shorts. To do this, you can right-click on a video and click Copy Link Address. Then once the link to your chosen video is copied, you can search online for free YouTube clip editors. For this video, let's go to cutit.com to clip out the desired portion of the video. Simply paste the link into the box. Click Start and then select which part of the video you wish to use. You can also choose the quality of the video, and once you're content with that, you can then click Get Download Link. At this point, your file should be ready to download and to receive it on your computer. simply click the download file button here. Now I will show you a brand new app that you can access to edit the video automatically with just one click. CapCut.com, or if you're using your phone, you can also download the CapCut mobile app available on iOS and Android. Now this app is special because you can make a lot of video content easily without having to worry about the struggles you may find if you use professional video editing software such as Premiere Pro and Final Cut. With only a few clicks and just 3 minutes to spare, you'll have your short videos ready instantly. Once you have CapCut open, you'll need to select the TikTok template. This will immediately lead you to the CapCut editor, and what you should do at this point is drag and drop the video you just downloaded into this blank template. This will upload the video to the editor, and soon enough you'll find it easily in the leftmost library section on your screen. Now that you have your video ready, here comes the crucial part. And that is to edit it with just one click. One key feature of CapCut is its auto captioning function. With this tool, you can automatically generate captions for the entire video without even needing to transcribe everything the people in the video will say. The interesting part about this auto captioning feature is that you can customize it however you like. You can change the font, size, color, and style of the text to make it stand out and enhance the engagement of your YouTube short. Creating expertly made YouTube shorts without extra effort has never been easier. With the use of CapCut, you can customize the captions to your desired position, change the colors, add shadows, and even switch up the fonts just to make the video stand out and catch everyone's attention. With a wide range of editing options available, you can give your YouTube shorts a professional touch and make them as engaging as possible. If you want to make them more engaging and interesting, CapCut offers a variety of stickers and animations that you can add to your shorts. These stickers and animations can be used to enhance the mood of the video and make it a little more playful and interactive. Then once you're done editing your YouTube short and you're impressed by how it looks, you can easily export it as an MP4 file and upload it to your own YouTube channel. All in just 3 minutes and with as few clicks as possible. Now as we reach the end of this video, you can now know how it's highly possible to earn as much money as you can with the help of this special done-for-you tool from CapCut. You can easily repurpose existing content and potentially get tens of millions of views, plus a lot of money. By piggybacking on the audience of popular podcasts and other forms of existing content, you'll not only give yourself but also others more exposure to the rest of the world. If you enjoyed this tutorial, why not let me know by giving this video a thumbs up? Comment down below what you think about this strategy if you want to give it a try and if you want to see more ways to make money through YouTube Shorts, including the fastest ways possible. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll never miss out on any of our latest uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.